Politicians and the international community, governments, everybody is talking about the right of a Palestinian statehood, that Palestinians have their own state. I think it's a bad idea. And I think that Palestinians will pay a very high price for this. Palestinians for more than 60 years tried to destroy the state of Israel, not to build a Palestinian state. And now they're coming very late, trying to fit a Palestinian state like somebody who's trying to fit an elephant in the eye of a needle. It's a small property. It's a very small country. 27,000 square kilometers. This is nothing. And it does not have room for two states. I am not saying that Palestinians can have their own authority and they can have a state. But we have to take in consideration the Israeli security necessities. We have to take this in consideration. We all see what happened in Gaza Strip. And we don't want to repeat the same mistakes of the past. Because not only Israelis will suffer, Palestinians will suffer too. I'm not talking about Palestinian politicians and leaders. I am talking about Palestinian children who are sick and tired of the ways of their leaders and their selfish desires. And I hope that none of my Palestinian children will have to go through what I had to go through. As I said, I worked for the security of Israel, and in the meantime, I still love my people. Our goal was not only to bring security to the state of Israel. Our mission on a daily basis was to save human lives. Arabs, Palestinians, Israelis, Americans, and all types of people. That was our duty. And this is the truth that I learned for many years. That was our responsibility. When Arabs, with their propagandas, and Palestinians try to describe Israel as thirsty for the Palestinian blood, this is a lie for cheap political achievements. I was a witness, I have been a witness, and I know that Israel is not the problem in the Middle East. Israel is the solution to the Middle East. I want my people to see and study the Israeli experience. After all the tragedies that this amazing nation had to face, their focus was not to take revenge. After the Holocaust, the focus was to survive and to choose life over death. Unfortunately, my people did not learn from this amazing experience. And they are doing totally the opposite. They're seeking death over life. This is why I say that Israel is the solution, not the problem. And let me be honest with you. In this conflict in the Middle East today, after a long experience here in the West, reading, studying, reading about all the foundations of this civilization, the Western civilization, and its philosophy, I tell you, If Israel fails in the Middle East, the Western civilization will fail. It's our duty to protect and defend the State of Israel. And this is not for any political achievement. When I did this, when I do this today, I do it for myself. And I do it for the generations to come and for peace in our world. Thank you so much for coming this evening, and God bless you all.